They say into your eyes, romance can.
Oh my God. Nah, I'm not gonna let you see that yet. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're down here at the shop tonight. We're working on the Hyundai Veloster shop car, and we've had some exciting results. First, let me give you some of the details about the car. Car has one of our built engines. We have head studs, main studs in it, ported head. We got a 55-58 big turbo kit on it, running methanol, running 92 octane. And tonight, we made 481 horsepower in fourth gear. So, for a 55-58, that is not a bad number. Actually, that's quite impressive. What's impressive is it's making that power all the way out to 8,000 RPM. Actually, it's right around 7,900, but we're still gaining power at that RPM curve. So I'm gonna show the RPM curve to you. Take a look. I bet you were wondering what that little teaser was, weren't you? Well, here's the teaser. Third gear, fourth gear pull, Hyundai Veloster, shop car, 55-58, and at 20, it says 16 pounds, but that's not right. So we're probably right around 25 pounds of boost, and that is 480 horsepower. 480 horsepower pump gas and 26 pounds of boost. Third and fourth gear. So, you know, what did it take? Let's take a look. I was lazy shifting. So to run through all of third and fourth gear on the dyno from dead nothing, 2,500 RPM, 2,500 RPM through third and fourth. Now that would be, check speed, sorry, we're dancing around here a little bit. So going from 40 miles to, so 100 miles per hour, 38 miles per hour to 140. It took a total of 10 seconds. So there. 10 seconds. Right there. 10 seconds to finish an all third, fourth gear pull. Now, that is not what's impressive. The impressive part is that it's climbing out to red line. So if we were to raise this red line, I'm sure that this would just continue to climb. Probably got another 20 or 30 horsepower there. Same thing over here. Probably just continue to climb. Might get close to, might get really close to 500 horsepower if we were to raise the rev limit out to 8,400 RPM. Just don't see a reason to. One of the things I am going to show you that's going to blow everyone's mind, because it blew mine when we saw the results from this tonight. So I'm going to pull up the right dyno chart. The 430, sorry, I'm kind of rummaging through a couple dyno charts here. There it is. Last time we're off on the dyno. Back in 2017, 6/19 of 2017, so 10 months ago. Made 431 horsepower, 314 foot-pounds of torque. 27 PSI was a little bobble in the curve. Not too worried about that. We were running about 24 PSI sustained, 23, 24 PSI. Brought the car directly in, off of the street. Made no tune changes. Didn't do anything with the gas. This is literally directly off the street. And we picked up 26 horsepower. This car continues to get faster and faster and faster as it continues to get broken in. So this shows the quality that goes into the tune, the quality that goes into the build that we built for this particular car. We will have some additional things to show you guys. We did so tonight. We did bump the boost a tiny bit. So I gave it a 1.5 psi increase. And I'm going to get rid of that blue line. That's the original. So that's what we did tonight. 20-ish, 23 horsepower gain. There's your boost increase. Not a whole lot of boost increase, but what did surprise us was as we had some more adaptive time on the tune, started making a little bit more power up top. Now that's the third, fourth gear pull that I showed you previously. Ignore that little spike. That's again, this little spike right here. That's just ignition pickup or interference from the pickup from on the dyno. This is impressive no matter how you look at it. When a 1.6 liter engine can make 470 horsepower on pump gas at 20, it says 27, 26 psi. The average, when we go through and actually look at the boost, we've got 25, 25, 25, 26, 23, 24, 22, 22. So the boost is staying relatively conservative. Those spikes show up time to time on the dyno, but guys, a 1.6 liter Hyundai Veloster making 470 horsepower on pump gas, 481 horsepower when we did our third, fourth gear exchange. This thing's going to be a beast on the road, and hopefully we'll have track results soon. Stay tuned.